Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
Welcome in this new episode. I am in San Francisco, California at Sun Beach. It's the first morning, and follow me if you want to see what I've done during my journey in California.
So this is cool, beautiful day. It's really beautiful this morning. Take a look. Check that, my friend. Oh yes.
It's never easy to decide where to start when you arrive in a new country, in a new city. This is why it's important for me to check what I can take in picture on Google Maps. Of course, I also let myself be surprised by places in a spontaneous way. After this first story, I have decided to go to the Golden Gate Bridge, but the light was not really good anymore, so I have decided to go to another place.
And actually, it's not really safe in San Francisco. There are a lot of safety alert everywhere, like this. So this is my car. It's not a crazy car, but it's a good car, and she's doing the job. So let's go to another point, to another location, guys. Allez, let's go. So actually I'm driving to Muir Woods. It's the place where you can find the giant sequoia, the giant tree. It's a place that I really love. It's not the first time. I think it's the third time I'm coming in this place. But it's the place where the Jedi Return was recording. The Star Wars Episode 3 was recording. So it's cool to be here.
Reservation?
No.
You can still make one online. Does your cell phone have network right now?
Yeah, okay.
Because it's all through the website.
It's full? No? It's not? Ah, no, okay.
Can we check your phone?
If you go to Muir Woods, you have to buy your ticket and your parking places just before on the application in the website of Muir Woods, because it's not possible to buy a ticket when you arrive. You have to do that before arriving in this place. And this place is really amazing for me because it's a very quiet place. It's peaceful place. It's a very amazing. If you don't know this place, if you go to California in San Francisco, you have to visit this place because it's very unique places in California. There are a lot of national park like this. I know the other one, it's Redwood, but this one is very unique. So I decided to do a small trail of 45 minutes. In November there are no more tourists, but the temperatures remain pleasant, so it's a good time to go in San Francisco. I really enjoy visiting and photographing Muir Woods. It's a really amazing place.
Well, this is the end of the trail. So now I think I'm going going back to San Francisco, to the Bay area. Wow, it's morning. It was a beautiful morning. Look at this. Look at this light. It's so beautiful.
Time to leave and to go to another incredible place in the Bay Area of San Francisco. The mist covered the whole bay and gave an almost unreal aspect to the landscape.
So it's the Mount Tampala, I don't remember the name. It's a beautiful place. You have a crazy view on the bay, on the bridge. But actually the soleil is so hot, so I have to stop and go back in another place. Bye. So super wonderful basketball court. Take a look at the view. I found this place I think 5 years ago. My second time in San Francisco, and look at this view. I don't know if you can see here. You have the Golden Gate, and the other side. Here you have the Bay Bridge. So you have a 360 view of San Francisco, and to this side you have Alcatraz just here, just down above my finger. So it's a beautiful place. When you come early, you have nobody. So it's really quiet actually.
These places offers a 360-degree view of San Francisco, and it was just amazing to be here alone. Next morning, I think to myself that crossing the bridge and going as close as possible to the Golden Gate Bridge will be a really good idea, just before the sunrise. It's a jacket, but I'm freezing. But this is the price you have to pay if you want to see the bridge very close. So let's go, and I'm really happy to be here and to share that with you. This is what I like. When I'm travel because I like sharing what I see. This is why I'm doing my job of photographer. I'm doing this job because I like to share what I see, what I like, what I love. So let's go. As you can see, it was not yet 7 AM and we were a dozen people already present to attend the sunrise, and what a sunrise! I'll let you judge by yourself.
Flowers in my garden, never looked as bright as day. Like a happy child of words and I only see butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It's funny how the luck can change when you're not around. Look in my eyes.
It was a very special moment of my trip because it was the first sunrise that I saw, and it's always a moment of life where we say to ourselves that the earth is a really incredible place. Please subscribe, like, share, put a blue thumb, and I see you in my next video.